Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find Lana's journal on the Dress to Impress Winter Quest. So just go to the first chapter. Obviously, I'm doing this after I finished the quest. But if you just wanted to read more about Lana and her backstory, you can absolutely do that. So you'll be teleported here. I'm just going to skip the cutscene because I've seen this many times. So instead of going to Santa's workshop, which is to the right, you're actually going to go to the left. I'll show you in a minute. You are going to go to the left here. You're going to go to this like candy cane area, and you're just going to walk forward until you you see a house, which is on the left side of things, which is this one. You're just going to walk in front here, and you're going to go inside of this house, and you'll be able to find Lana's journal here. Press E to interact, and you can basically read her journal. You can go back and go next. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!